Jump in, boy.
This is for my family.
This is for my children.
This is for my family.
Oh. Big up to every artist that's coming for me. All the living legends. Big up to Mahobaba. Big up to 50 man. Big up to all the legends, man.
Hammer. Not we take with time, man. You ready?
Aye. Come on. Aye. Come on. Putaya,
Another prime time artist. This man say he can't left this girl. But you know what, Hubie? That's a life. You get where I'm coming from, right? You see where I'm going? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, backed up by Sweet Pain 3.0, we bring on stage Hubie. Give me a beat there, Sweet Pain, come on. Oh yeah. Yes, man. Y'all left this girl. That's a life. Hubie! Make some noise for Hubie! Everybody knows that tonight. To pay tribute and respect to the legendary, the icon. Good night to everybody for CPA 3.2. For real. Respect to all the artists that we call through. The organizers. But most importantly, want to make so nice to Mr. Mahabub Fresh, please. Our legend, our icon, our living legend. And I'll tell you something. This is the earliest people ever come out and bring up the tune. Usually people come out 11 o'clock. But we say we're a legend though. We say we're a legend though, but we don't talk. Why? Because life is real, don't take it for granted. Wanna have some good people, don't take advantage. Focus on the dreams, don't get distracted. Stay on the right path and don't get stranded. Just yesterday, we're sitting on the road. And now I'm there alone. Just yesterday, I saw you smile. For real. And now I'm left to cry. Hold on, appreciate the people you have been. Tell them love them on the first thing. Why? Don't need to body no shit. I'm never big fine. Just love the life, I say. Just live your sweet pain. Appreciate the people you have been. Tell them love them on the first thing. Why? Don't need to body no shit. I'm never big fine. Just love the life, I say. Just live your life. sleep on nights. No need for body that shit, I negative vibes. Just love life, I say, just live your life. Free, gonna appreciate the people you have in your life. Tell them you love them and you will see that. Why? No need for body that shit, I negative vibes. Just love life, I say, just live your life. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers around us tonight. Happy Mother's Day, Mr. Joseph, good night. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful women. All the beautiful mothers. Hold on, we jamming. What? I said we jamming right now. We jamming. I said we jamming right now. We jamming. I said we jamming right now. We jamming. I said we jamming right now. We come to jam. I'm looking on you, girl. Yeah, come wine for me. Come on. And make we dance up. Cause we come to jam. Hey, you there, you there. Ah, bala, you there. Are you there, you there. Hey, bala, you there. Are you there, you there. Ah, bala, you there. Listen, God is saying very like nobody can rap my fight. We are party house tonight. So tell them that make sure see that come. Right, get it place enough. And we them back at the truck. You be getting hey, da-da-da, get on it. 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 Hey, da-da-da, hey, da, get on it. One more time. Hey, da-da-da, get on it. 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 Hey, da-da-da. I said, get on it, get on it, get on it. Hey. When I think about the riverside, when I put to a compromise, jovial and kind, some of them take real life. When I think about the Congo King, and every song he sing, he is so put it on a car, this is the chiller. Blow, long name the Coco Man. When I put out all you got, give up when it's too far. We don't. I say we don't give up, we don't give up, we don't give up. Give me the next one. We got a lot of artists, so give me the next one. Yeah, once again, we respect to the legend, the icon, Mr. Mahabub Flores. We got who? Kershaw, what's the name? We got Kershaw. We got ourselves. Sleep your hair white. As everything we do, we run them out hard. Them quick we talk a lot and make a sound shots. I said him sell me out for Hennessy and vodka. I'm trying to get rich just like Oprah. Some days we used to sleep on the sofa. I've been down for so long. Now the show's done over. Like turn me to a soldier. Tell them try to move ya. I'm blessed, so why they call me? Just run but tell them why the business we're here. Tell them why the business we're here. I say but tell them why the business we're here. I wanna mix up with bad mind and fear. I say but tell them why the business we're here. Tell them why the business we're here. I say but tell them why the business we're here. I wanna mix up with bad mind and fear. Listen, cause everything we do, that's what they're talking. And they can't stop it when they run them all like fussing. And everything like the reality. We don't need level, here was the level. I swear me here just into fans. Chop some more hit song. I still not left the girl. The blood of warrior strong. I don't know what she got or what she do, but the warrior strong body. Yeah, why? Turn me here just into fans. Chop some more hit song. I still not left the girl. The bloody warrior strong. But I used to call my phone. Tell them all the plans, but I'm selling me off the 400. Not even P1,000. The work will never stop. Whatever show me rock, I'm a dream turn reality. Go ask Papa Ross, and I will always represent the places that I'm from. So I shoot to repass, we go the whole of dance. Tell them why the business we're here. Tell them why the business we're here. I say, tell them why the business we're here. You'll be no mix up with one mind and fear. And tell them why the business we're here. Tell them why the business we're here. I say, tell them why the business we're here. Hey, I wanna mix up with one mind and fear. Hey! Give me a old school. Give me again. We have all the people that are over 40 that still look 20. We don't want to sing. Yeah. But still, that's even like, once over 40 and still look 20, we don't want to sing. So I respect the time. You have the stage manager, Push International. You have the MC, Terry G, on the MIC. Benjamin Man, Arthur, Sharon, Ashley, Comfort, and the AZ. The man that answer about bottom, so the region. What is that about Sharon life? I think, about your life? Ashley? Ashley? This girl, can't let this girl. This girl, I can't let this girl. Hold on, this girl, I can't let this girl. Really? This girl, I can't let this girl. I sell my house, I'm gonna give her. I take my land, put it in the shade. I sell my car, I'm gonna give her. 50s are ending, she get mine. Let's go. I can't let this girl. I can't let this girl. What? I can't let this girl. I can't let this girl. Why? I know you're strong. I can't let this girl. She got the next man. I can't let this girl. Don't keep on. 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 Listen. She left me for another man, but I can't understand. Oh, I can't move on. She must say that I will be a man. I'm ready to cheat. I can't let this girl. I can't let this girl. I can't let this girl. Why? I know they're strong. I can't let this girl. She got the next man. I can't let this girl. Don't keep on. Don't keep on. Don't keep on. Don't keep on. Give me all in. Hey!
Because you know you've been entertained. Sweet Pain will continue with Nuwani Martinez, but just before we do that, I'd like to remind you that right behind you, we've got the library cigar, and to prove it, I've got a cigar in my hand. All right? So if that's what you're into, make sure you get your cigar before you go home, okay? Spread the word to those who haven't heard. And so right now, just before we bring on Sweet Pain, before we bring on Nuwani Martinez, I'd like to make a special presentation to the man of the hour, Mohobob. We have some people who are here to make a special presentation to Mohobob. This is Garifuna Entertainment and the Garifuna Flavor, represented by Rodel Castillo and Don Cuellar. These are the people here who like to do a special presentation to Mohobob. Horacio Mohobob Flores making his way to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mohobob. Let me hear it for the cool ruler.
Niha wanagubu waguchile uatiamwa. Niha wanagubu waguchile uatiamwa. Ay Mohobob wa mabenya gahabubalu eligerugunye wama gahabubalu. Ay Mohobob wa mabenya gahabubalu gahabubalu eligerugunye wama gahabubalu. Hey aumawa augayu aumawa augayu ligela mau hanimu utelebra ya ba lu la boge dia bi budi boge. I love you man, you already know.
Yes, on behalf of Mohabub's children, we present this to you. And the caption is Puntarak Kulula, celebrated today, Mohabub Flores. Give Mohabub a big hand, please.
Thanks people fame. Like make I get this, I want to arrange a song. I appreciate that. If I never pay, one beautiful girls tonight I never may I get this. So pick up on yourself. Alright. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Chulutiu ganunu yau buru balise dawana muleye reduati low sagadi. All right, good night everybody.
All right, one more time, let's hear it for Mohabub, please. And thanks. Yeah. Sweet Pain right now. You ready? Sweet Pain, you ready? Sweet Pain, you ready? We've got more artists. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Strictly. Waist whining music. Yeah, man. You all ready for it? You want it? You want it? Yeah, they are. You want it, Martinez? Watch up by Sweet Pain 3.0. Come in.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. How do you feel, Africa? Oh, yes. Give me a lead, just sustain for now. G, sharp, G, minor. Right there.
Yeah, man. The party continues. Now we got some giveaways here for the ladies. It's got to be a mother. So if any mother come all the way from the back this song, just come forward. You don't have to say nothing, do nothing. But from the back, because I don't want people to say, she come running up from this side. You understand where the try come from, right? So a mother from way the back yard come and we are give a gift just like that, all right? Before we bring on the next artist all the way from the Big Apple, New York City. Yeah. So could somebody please step forward? All right? Nobody from this side here, so. But quick now, come for it. I can't lean over. I know that I can't do no track and field thing and hop, step and jump and anything like that in there. No. Yeah, I was a track star in my dreams. That's the same. Come ladies, come. Step forward. We got another one too. We have two gifts. It gotta be mothers now. Okay, alright, we have one. You know mother? Alright, I have one more gift. So the first person, there you go. You go look past here, she's a mommy. Alright, who takes care of her kids. So that's done. Let's do this now. Sweet Pain, you ready? Give me a beat there, Sweet Pain. Let her know you're the mouth. Yeah, man. Originally from La Buga, Guatemala, he now calls the Big Apple, New York City home. Make some noise and show your appreciation for Ideal.
From New York to
represent my brother. Thank you for the promotions and everything. Sweet bien. ¡Ay! Con su labura ahí. ¡Chupa! 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 ¡Hey! Guayabina, Maquilali Belleco, un Guayabina, Tamula Tomilano, un Guayabina, Maquilali Belleco, un Guayabina, Matamua Tomilano, ay mama, ay niño, ay mama, ay niño, Yuculepana, un Guayabina, Maquilali Belleco, un Guayabina, Mata muerto lirama, un Guayabina, Maquilali Belleco, un Guayabina, mata muerto lirama. Ay mama, ay niño, Yuculepana, ay mama, ay niño, Yuculepana. Yeah. We're gonna rock it tonight, ay mama, Yuculepana, ay niño, ay mama, Yuculepana, hey, vaya, no dije la chacarena. Hey, 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 hey. Díseme, Papinano, mamá, oh, díseme, Papinano, mamá, Papinano, mamá, ay, 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 Papinano, mamá. ¡Salud! Watch it, do that no man. Also the trigger aquí, also la jugada. Soy familiar, so you know. Give me. Long drums. How we feeling? Uno, get closer. Don't be afraid, get closer. Get closer so you can hear the song. Thank you. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Mama, baby, mama, chuto. Ay mami, gani ese. Ay mami, por mí gani ese. Yes. Ay, bata litereta.
Now we got another New York performer coming on stage. Alright? Now, usually when you hear about DJs and so on, that's dominated by the males, right? Well, we've got a lady, okay? She's been juggling for the past year and a half, okay? She's of Haitian American descent, and she hails from Brooklyn, New York. Show your appreciation for the girl with the gray hair. Come in. Make some noise. Come on, show. Come on. We could do better than that. Yeah, man, give her a big Belizean welcome. The girl with the gray hair from Brooklyn, New York. Selector.